That was him. That was not me. That was this dude over here. Eddie. Yeah, brother. Thank you, man.
AMD in the house, dude. In the house.
All right, so you already know, man. Shout out to BuiltbyYO. We're in the building. Let's get it. BuiltbyYO is in the building. We got 2 trucks in SEMA. We got the K5 Blazer and Supercharger outside in the West Hall. I'm sorry, it was in the West parking lot. And then inside Tremic's booth, if I can show you, it's cool Tremic. I don't know what's covering my face. Inside Tremic booth, we got these 3100, 1952 3100. So both trucks, insane. So right now, like I think there's some very, very nice gas vehicles. Let's get it. I'm over here, well, like I said, unveiled some very, very nice on Gas Monkey. I'm over here with AMD, Eddie from AMD. So let's get it. Let's go.
You ready? All right, guys, so we're about to do the reveal. We got about, I don't know, 15, 25 minutes left. Booth's already packing up. We're just getting ready. So, dude, let's show it off. Car cover off, and let everybody see what we've done. Stay tuned. Hey, and we got AMD, even though it's not on the shirts and on the board. Hey, Sinjin.
No love.
It's right here on the face.
Sinjin.
No love.
It's here for the second time.
The first time was great. You didn't forget me because I went to the record this time, and my logo's not on there. But I put it with a Sharpie, so if you guys want to show that.
Oh, okay. Oh, that?
I failed. I failed.
I made it. We made it.
We have a sticker for that.
AMD.
Josh.
Hey Josh, where's our logo?
There.
On the metal direct, there's our logo. Thanks, Josh. Only the best for us.
Hey, but let's talk about that.
Yeah, these guys are great. They're marketing dudes. But these guys are awesome. Traffic components are the best. Marketing guy, not so much.
The shotgun mic is crazy. Okay, whoa.
Where's the logo?
That's the logo, guys.
Again.
You.
What's up, dude?
Thanks, man. He said
AMD logo added to the poster. Let's go, baby.
I know, just fucking with it.
That one, that's perfect. Hold on, let me just copy and paste.
All right, so my man's he drew the rendering, so he finna put the logo on there.
Do AMD on here?
Yeah.
Let's go crazy.
Let me get the man some working room here. Yeah, I sure can. Oh, and we're gonna get an upper like that, your own spot. Because that's the one that they use for the poster.
So you won't buy it. Sorry, that's
I think that's great. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Look at that. Custom, you guys. Welcome, Jason.
All right, everybody. So again, man, it's your boy Laptop BuiltbyYO, and we are at the Gas Monkey booth. Well, no, I'm sorry. we are definitely at the Gas Monkey, the System X. So with Eddie at AMD.
5 steps back so we can get 3 cameras in and we're not staring at the back of your big beautiful heads.
So we're about to unveil this beautiful car, man. First time it's unveiled.
5 steps back. Oh, no, you don't.
Got my family member Candy right there. Let's get it. I'm gonna link up with the guys in a few moments.
Yes, that works for me.
Link up with the other team members of the BuiltbyYO
Make sure you
crew.
get the ladies involved. Hi, ladies. Thanks for helping us. We're a couple minutes away, guys. The Chevelle unveiling System X booth, Gas Monkey Garage. If you can hear my voice, it's his booth 52211. Or follow the sound of my voice.
All right, so here we go. The Synister X. Better rip, tater chips. What? Look at that. Look at that back window. Wow. That It's amazing. And these guys were scared to death when I said cut the package tray out. They're like, what do you mean? I was like, I don't think anybody's ever done it, so we're going to do it. And here we are. So I say we go down and take a look at your car.
Back up. Cam, back up. Thank you.
Got the Gas Monkey media team over here. They're about to go crazy.
So, actually, one of the things that I didn't like about Chevelle's, one of the reasons I never built one, everybody out there to see you and see it up like a clamp mouth. So we actually chopped the front about 1.5 inches, maybe a little more, just to give it a little bit leaner look and close that gap. The brushed billet at the last second, believe it or not. It's the last big decision for me because you can start with chrome and you can back up from there. If you start with brush, you can't go into chrome. So I say it that way. Speedtech Performance built their chassis for us, and I wanted to put all the suspension inside the car where you can see it. And a lot of people do that. Everything is Speedtech, everything on the dash. We went with oh yeah, it's in there. And then up front here, I don't know where Josh went. What are you doing with the door handles? Okay. What? Yeah, those are from Kindig. Kindig makes these.
It's built automatic. The lacquer that is on this paint to really back the shine. Absolutely. Amazing. This top down is going to be released at SEMA. I think versus release for after the season.
Look at that.
This is the soundtrack that I added. So that way you guys don't have to start the actual car.
Andy knocking out of the park with the exhaust soundtrack.
Yeah, that was soundtrack, everybody. That wasn't real.
Hey, where's the hook on this? I got rings on this guy. You got one of them rubber rings. Alright, now we're gonna go underneath the car.
Where's that at? It was over there.
Just where Speedtech shines. Hold on. Jump on in there, man. Come on, let's go. Put it in and shut it. Yeah.
Let me squeeze through, guys. It works, right? It works. And like everything's hidden, but if you're far off, you see the stainless X. Sometimes we think of things. Every once in a while, we think of things. You know? The whole way on all the chassis from all the IRS. If you love it. Richard.
Hey guys, we're still 5 feet
How do we take a show off? Your
guys.
stuff is always under the car, so you never get to show off. So it's just like, hey,
Can you take 5 step back, please? 5 steps back, please. T. Oh my God. Take a step back so everybody flows with you. And then look at this. Hold on. They're behind you, behind the couch.
355. Thank you. There's 315. There's 13 and a half.
With over 30 degrees of steering.
Yeah, no, yeah. So that's where I was nervous. I'm not gonna. Yep. Here we are. There you go.
Hey, Rich.
All right. What do you think, dude?
Look under that screen.
Is it as good as the top? That's the goal, right? You want the car beautiful underneath as it is on top. We didn't. Okay, so we was actually going to paint the entire bottom of the car in very, very high gloss, like the frame. But then we started talking to you, and you're like, well, I want to drive this thing. So it was like, man, if we do that, you're going to be always trying to clean. You're always going to be ready. So we did a very, very smooth texture liner on it.
You know we make coatings, right?
Well,
So
you know,
we can
you
protect
still
it.
gotta clean. You still gotta clean it though, right? So I want you to be able to get in this thing and actually just drive it and not worry about anything. So everything's textured, full stainless, MagnaFlow exhaust all the way out 3-inch. I did the shorty mufflers for you some sound, but I also did the anti-drones right here to where you're not gonna get a big drone inside the car as you're driving. It's not gonna do the. So MagnaFlow got those, and it's gonna keep all the drone out of your car, especially since this thing's wide open, right? There's no package tray, there's no truck to get rid of sound, so it's just a giant freaking speaker box. So you have a very large 30-gallon tank. So you should be able to drive wherever you want. Yeah. So stainless, stainless tanks, very, very beautiful tank. Air motor fuel pumps, I mean, are always top of the line. So you're solid there. I mean, you can finally sit in wheel widths. These are the rears. These are what people put in the front of their car half the time.
My favorite part?
Yeah.
It's probably exhaust, because that was the hardest thing to get done. We worked really hard with MagnaFlow, and they helped us prototype those tips. And I wanted them to come out. I wanted them to be the brake lights and the exhaust. Everybody was afraid of the heat and dissipation on the heat and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really proud of that. Speedtech just did an amazing job on the chassis. Josh kills it on the exhaust of his total, and you know, it's just, this is as kick-ass as it gets, man.
The fact you can show the bottom off as much as you can in the upper, like when Todd was like, hey, we want to put it on a lift. It's like, oh, okay. Well, that doesn't double the work that we gotta do. We can't just run wires now, you know. So now everything had to be tucked. Everything had to have billet clamps. Everything had to be bent just perfect. I mean,
And I wanted everything that was like steady and hard and doesn't move to be red. And I wanted the moving components like you see on all of the suspensions and everything else. Everything that did something, I wanted to be black. So we spent a long time thinking about, okay, if it moves or it flexes or it does something that makes the car go, it's got to go black. And then the hard parts, the things that are rigid, I wanted to be red. And so that's why we went double on the wheels, because they do both things. So you got black and red. But super killer work by the team. They absolutely just crushed it. And again, what my other favorite part is, these guys, these are craftsmen out here to bring these cars out here. They are the best in the business, and I just happen to be one of them. But we build our cars fast. We built this car in 60 days, and that is unbelievable. You walk up to other cars that have a year and a half, two and a half years. I read a story this morning about 5 years in the making and finally getting SEMA. It's great, but when you're doing it like this, it's a lot of pressure and a lot of time frame to deal with.
I didn't even build the car.
it's
really
crazy. So in the daylight, that's all you see on the ground is big X on the ground. Wow. It is completely red.
So yeah, we're super proud of it. I know you're going to be, and I wish we could pull it out and go do some donuts, but that's not happening. Freaking wicked. I got to tell you guys, I got the best team in the freaking world. Josh and Ricky and Shawnee B and Kenny and Ryan and Mike Boyd, they don't fail.
Hey, what are we building next year? Fuck it, this is done.
No,
What are we
I'm out.
building next year?
No.
Next year.
No.
So from the top on the ramp it looks amazing, but underneath it's just pretty.
Dude, you know what look under a skirt and see something ugly. I mean, if your car doesn't look good underneath, you got a problem. But Speedtech Performance did an awesome job with this chassis. The hardest part was getting the exhaust to come out of the rear tail light area and making those tips ridge over MagnaFlow workplace. Prototyping with me, he was like, "You're insane," and whatever. But we made it happen, and Josh built it all this up. Absolutely perfection. And you know, having all the suspension up inside the car. And part of what my design was if anything is rigid, if it's holding, and that's what it does. I wanted it to be red, but anything that was moving, I wanted it to be black. So that's why most of our suspension components and everything are black. That's why the wheels are black and red. You know, because they do both. But so we put this together to be as pretty as it is on top. Everything about the car just screams, I want to go fast, I want to use lots of gas, and I want to kick ass. It's really, really cool. It's really fun to see my team put something like this together in 60 days. I mean, we've been doing this game a long time, you and I. This is hard to do.
It's hard to do. I mean, it was only 4 days ago that Chevelle and Magnuson always rolled in. The windshield was out. This was stripped down. I mean, to turn this around to the level of quality build. I mean, this car's here seen without transmission, without prop shafts, like no drive shafts, everything's off. This, everywhere you look, is nothing less than remarkable, man. Thanks for showing us.
Thank you, dude.
Love you, man.
Get yourself a Sam Hard Garage. Or Hard Up. I don't even know. How to say that.
Hard Up Garage.
Hard Up Garage.
Not to be confused with Gatorade. Thank you.
Yes.
All right. It's your boy Loud Top Dog. BuiltbyYO, man. I know I keep saying it, but bro, we at SEMA, baby. Gas market, they just unveiled this 1970 Chevelle. This is the bottom of it. They had to put it on a lift, okay? They brought a lift to SEMA, bro, okay? You got to understand what's happening right now, man. All right? Shout out System X. Shout out Gas Monkey, man. Look at this, bro. It's the bottom half. They built this car in 60 days. You hear me? 60 days. So that means 61 days ago, this car didn't exist. It looked different than what it looked right now. You understand what I'm talking about? So yeah, 1970 Chevelle. It's ridiculous. It's nuts. Look at the bottom, bro. Who does this? Who brings a lift to SEMA, bro? Who does this, bro? Gas Monkey and System X, bro. That's who does it, man. AMD, sheet metal all over there. You already know the crew. Got my guy Eddie over here, Candy. Let's get it, man. Behind the scenes. Laptop Thug. Let's go. Oh, Candy asked for the mic. Let me get off the mic. Give Candy the mic on the vlog live. Bang bow. You want the mic?
I was gonna do this. I was gonna do this, but
Oh yeah. Okay.
okay, all right.